Kaka gets 22-year prison sentence.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Ricardo Richards, the man who was recaptured after disarming and shooting a policeman, then escaping from the National Chest Hospital in St. Andrew in March, has been slapped with a 22-year prison sentence. The accused, also known as Kaka, pleaded guilty to robbery with aggravation, illegal possession of firearm, and wounding with intent when he appeared in the gun court section of the Home Circuit Court in April. On Friday, July 9th, High Court Judge Justice Sonia Wint-Blair sentenced Richards to 13 years and 4 months each for illegal possession of firearm and robbery with aggravation. Further, he was ordered to serve 22 years for wounding with intent. All 3 sentences are to run concurrently, resulting in a 22-year span behind bars. Prior to Richards' sentencing, it was heard in court that he had penned a letter in which he apologized for his actions. It was also heard in court that the injured cop suffered several injuries, including a fractured spine, which could prevent him from continuing with his duties as a law enforcer. On Friday, March 12th, Richards disarmed and shot a Denhamtown-based police officer before making his escape from the National Chest Hospital, where he had been taken for medical treatment. A week later, Richards was recaptured at a guest house in St. Andrew, where he reportedly cried like a baby, begged for his life, and wet himself. He was subsequently charged by the police.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!